Kasee na oshano de toso ye Kuro Mu Te Sen said ye juada bia no ye de bramo no na nkramanta mi mu bi na nei ya bo apro no afefa ne magunu no ene ye won mo adi enkomo a wo kire mu sa ho kire na ekoso no ha won mo awofo panti abeha won mo nso nkoda na ewo mo no ti wo sre aban no mi anwumam se be ya magunu benya adwuma ye Kuro Mu Te Sen onsemni
ene ye dwada ehine me bosome da etoso enkono esenti ye bisa manfo se Kuro Mu Te Sen
Kuro mu de anya Kuro ma ye de ya ma chese first na nka me kotogo be 5 cedi me dia memen sisi a me ye furu flat time lija me togo be 10 cedi kura enso me enti me de me pa cho me ka me de Kuro mu de ayehye first na me ankasa metumi hu se me yaketesi aka ma ba se me gbo abrewa ba because e Kuro mu pressure no eda me so me nwo ye ba me gbo abrewa ba nti Kuro mu de me afianke to ade enya ma me kora
sisi ade o mine ma ye dem pa my like the nation isn't favorable anymore. Sisi ade anka obeto a less no right now it's very expensive into main industry even basic amenities scratch say aduane nsuo sanya mana are very expensive and a hard dream pa inti abainesha na onye bibi mfa ho mai
Kuro mu de ayehye na sisi askanso ni Kuro mu ti amaye maba wana ye wo Kuro mu ni aye hot pa aye hot sisi ayenso ye ko school fees kura aye ntumi nye de ye ntu anwie they said ayehye pa Kuro mu ayehye ti esresen ka aban ni mpo e wo mwa bi ode be boa youth na ke be boa yen pa Kuro mu ayehye ama me kura ma ye basa na menam
okrani nyame anim ne ye nyina ye hwa o man ni mo ayedin ye and we are not seeing any progress bia akoye se o man buo no mi hu se ne o mu bu no ya ye mmebu no krampo na ase ye nhede ni a lot of responsibilities krampo no o hwa obrani ma yedin employment rate a ye ni uko adwuma krampo a customers nto ade and all of that and it's even affecting your parents so omunye scam and all of that. In fact Kuro mu ayehye pa into no ye better say aban no because no atoto ntoboa ato ho no ma ebetumi aboa oman no especially the youth it's say yen ene ye oman no farebom
enkoye ba ye try say ye be your best because comparing the past years to this particular year things is getting difficult and we are facing a lot of challenges such as with our economic situation because as at now if you go to the market to go and ask for a price of an item and you go back within 2 hours to ask of that same item, they'll tell you it has been increased by 1 cedi, 2 cedis, or 3 cedis, or 5 cedis, which has make living very difficult for the youth. Some are running away from the country, and some don't even know what to do. Some are ending up doing stuff that they don't want to do. To say, we don't say, or baby or ho, to say, I'm a boy, didn't or bokrono, or who say like onion, who a man didn't who she says, be more like. On per se obey due to the situation and I say hardship like he or she has found himself or herself.
Oh, Kuro mu de Kuro mu ayedi ebi mu so beka say mu nya de by depend ye hwe na say de nyoma boy se akosoro na ama nyoma ska okuta ode be Kuro mu no se wa anya budget ye a obedu Kuro na nyoma ayeden asai kra nti Kuro mu de Kuro mu ayeden even transport issues cry no still na enshedanye stable papa ene a obetum 1 cedi na atum 2 cedis nti Kuro mu de Kuro mu ayeden de omo aban no omo nti na ombeka se bia Kuro mu nya de but Ghana ni no ye Ghana ni ne hu se Kuro mu ayeden
Ghana mebunu bi ena nei wono ma kire wadwene ewo dwumadie so wono masam a woka nyina ene se aban hwe no men sikasem no wonye bibi emfa ho ma wo mu san se edusunsan so obone aba wono mo so pa